You're up.
This is Honey Bear. She is maybe a Bordeaux mix. We're not positive though. She does have the resemblance though in her face. She is maybe about 2 years old, quite young girl, very relaxed, calm girl. She's very well-mannered.
Okay.
Good girl.
She knows how to sit and she knows how to wait before she can take her food. She is great with other dogs. She doesn't seem to mind them. She doesn't really play a rough house or anything like that though. She's just
Okay.
wants to do her own thing, and she's great to have around. Likes to have her attention, and she really pays attention to what's going on around her. Just a great dog.